Gigi Hadid and her BFFs have a need for speed. The supermodel joined her closest gal pals including Kendall Jenner, Bella Hadid and Hailey Baldwin for a day at the Formula One Grand Prix Sunday afternoon in Monaco. And in between snapping selfies and working their high heels near the racetrack, the ladies seemed to have their eyes on champion Lewis Hamilton. "You're number one in our book. And every other book ever at Lewis Hamilton," Bella captioned on Instagram. "Good luck, Lou. We. You." Newly single Gigi also wrote, "We love you at Lewis Hamilton. Everyone knows you. Champ. #TeamL